Glycogen storage diseases. What is glycogen storage disease? The liver is the body's primary chemical processing plant, executing over 500 vital functions to keep you alive. In the context of glycogen storage disease, the liver acts as the main battery for your body's energy. It absorbs excess sugar from your food, converts it into glycogen, and stores it until your body needs it. In a healthy body, the liver acts like a smart bank account. It deposits glucose after meals and withdraws it when blood sugar drops. In glycogen storage disease, the liver lacks the key enzyme, which is the key to open the vault. Therefore, it can store the glycogen, but it cannot break it down to release glucose back into the bloodstream. This creates two immediate crises. Energy starvation. The brain and body suffer from severe, rapid drops in blood sugar, hypoglycemia, because the liver cannot release energy. Organ damage. The glycogen remains permanently trapped inside the liver cells. Over time, the liver swells to massive sizes, hepatomegaly, which can lead to structural damage and dysfunction. Therefore, glycogen storage disease is a group of rare inherited genetic disorders in which a missing or malfunctioning enzyme prevents the body from properly converting sugar, glucose, into stored energy, glycogen, or breaking that glycogen back down into usable glucose. This enzyme deficiency locks energy away, thus causing severe drops in blood sugar and a harmful, toxic buildup of trapped glycogen inside organs like the liver and muscles. In case of the healthy process of liver, when a healthy person goes without food, their blood sugar naturally drops. The brain signals the liver to break down its stored glycogen into glucose. This glucose enters the bloodstream, keeping blood sugar levels normal and steady. In the glycogen storage disease process, when a person with glycogen storage disease fasts, their blood sugar also drops, but their liver lacks the enzyme needed to break down glycogen. The energy is permanently trapped inside the liver, acting like a locked vault. Because the liver cannot release glucose, the body experiences a sudden and dangerous drop in blood sugar, known as severe hypoglycemia.